What's going on, YouTube? Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be doing a review of the Aurora LED strip for TVs and PCs, or just your home. Now, it says a 16 color selection, adjust color and intensity and brightness via remote control. You can create ambience and a unique atmosphere. So it does come with a remote control. It's good. The strip is long enough for TVs up to 65 inches. Okay, now you got USB power from any SV standard USB port. 3M self-adhesive backing for easy application. Fits TVs up to 65 inches. Selection of 16 colors and 4 mood light settings. Remote control works up to 26 feet away, and 60 RGB lights. It includes one 6.5 inch one 6.5 foot LED strip, connectors, and wireless remote. Let's crack it open, see what it's about. Alright, now we got a little paper telling you about some stuff, and a little user guide, and then we have a little warning or whatever. Then we have your USB cord, we have your remote control, and we have the actual strip. So I'm gonna set this up on my TV, and then we're gonna check it out. Now, this is what it looks like set up. Real easy to set up. It comes with 3M adhesive tape on the strip. So all you do is put the strip on the back of the TV as you pull the tape off, and just make it as neat as you can. Now, it comes with this remote control, and it's real easy to change. As you see, you can change the lights to different colors, which is real dope. You know what I mean? So you can change, get your ambience on, you know, depending on what mood you're feeling. And you can even have a flash setting, so it just flashes around. And then you got a strobe setting. So that's dope. And then you got a fade setting. And the last setting on here is a smooth setting. You know what I mean? So you got a couple different settings to work with on here. But like I said, this is real easy to set up, not hard at all. But it's Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews. If you like this video, click that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that easily by clicking on the little Android guy in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all my social media sites, all you got to do is go into the description, click on every one of them links, and follow me on every one of my social media sites. And we out.